Hi, once again, welcome to Propfirm Trades, where we teach you to be profitable in your trading journey. So I just took this trade on GBPJPY. Alright, so I had seen this zone here where my cursor is at. That's a supply zone. So I had previously marked it because I knew price will eventually come back to this area, and since it's a powerful supply zone, looking at the volume of the candlesticks that dropped down from that area and how price continued to go down until it got to this upward trend line and then started heading back up. So I knew that when price gets to this area, it will react. It might not react and get to the bottom, but it will react enough for me to get an entry and actually profit some. So these are some of the setups you'd want to look for. You'd want to look for supply or demand zones where you know that price will actually come and react to and give you some. So first of all, I marked my support and resistance. This was a resistance area there. Price came and turned back down. Price graduated to it again, gravitated to it again, hit it, went down, came up and was rejected from the resistance zone, came down, went up, got to the resistance zone, it was rejected, came down, went up, played around, came down. So at this juncture, as you can see, I then marked my supply zone and waited for the price to come back up to it again for me to get an entry. So my stop loss was somewhere around this area, which will be a big stop loss if you have multiple entries, but still you can still get away with making a stop loss around this area. So when price came up, I did not hesitate. I entered the market, and as it dropped down up to this area, that's where I exited my trade. I didn't want to wait and hold and see if it does come back down to this trend line or not, because the market always does what it wants. So I didn't want to analyze and see if it would react like it did before and really come down to this area. I didn't want to do that. I just wanted to get some and get out. So you can also trade like that as well. You mark your support zones, your demand areas, and when price comes to those areas, you put your stop loss, you execute your entry, and you look for an exit point. When price gets into profits, you can move your stop loss into your profit zone, so that if price does not respect your analysis, you can also get away with some profits and not make losses. So this is it for this trading lesson in this trading video. Till next time, ciao.